If you own a new Nissan Qashqai J12, you know the interior is great, but maybe it lacks that final sporty touch. This tiny accessory claims to completely elevate the look of your center console, but is it worth the hassle? We're looking at the NOUNZH gear shift panel cover, specifically designed for the 2023 and 2024 Qashqai J12 left-hand drive models. The fitment is absolutely crucial here, and thankfully, this piece seems engineered precisely for the console contours. It's made of ABS plastic, but the carbon fiber pattern finish is surprisingly convincing. It adds a much-needed aggressive edge right where your hand rests most often, transforming that standard plastic look into something much more premium. Now, while this is primarily an aesthetic upgrade for the gear area, the overall design philosophy here is utility. The specs mention features like stable, anti-slip surfaces with built-in silicone pads and even drainage holes, features usually found in high-quality cup holders and organizers. This suggests a focus on practical, everyday use, ensuring that even if you add other accessories, they stay secure and functional. The product dimensions are slim, suggesting a sleek overlay, but the implied functionality is huge. The description highlights compatibility with regular bottles and jars, supporting high and low cup shapes, and even reserved space for your mobile phone or a folded umbrella. The idea of an adjustable, extendable design and a hidden card slot speaks volumes about maximizing the limited space in the center console, keeping everything within easy reach of the driver without interfering with gear shifting or operation. Plus, the material safety is emphasized: food-grade plastic and metal, high-temperature resistance, and easy cleaning. Installation is typically straightforward for these stick-on panels, and the result is a significant visual upgrade. If you want to ditch the stock plastic look and add a touch of performance styling to your Qashqai interior without breaking the bank, this carbon fiber pattern panel delivers. It's a small change that makes a big difference in the cockpit feel. This is a highly effective, low-cost way to personalize your ride.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.